Sagar. I am studying 9th. My topic name is the learning the game. Learning games was an autobiography written by Sachin Tendulkar. We all know about Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar was a god of the cricket and he was hitted 49 centuries in a ODI and he was a main player in Indian team. Let's see his life story. In 1973, Sachin Tendulkar was born at Mumbai, Maharashtra, 1st April. He was played tennis ball cricket with colony friends. He was loved to watch television on the cricket. He was played many matches in the cricket. His brother was studying at Satya Vidya Mandal. Sachin was studying at the New English School and Sachin was very interested to play cricket and Sachin brother was Ajit to the summer camp. The coach was Archekar. Archekar told to Sachin, you are making a practice very well. You are upcoming a future leader. Next, Sachin was made a practice and he was played 49